What is going on, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company. We are back with another car review for you guys today. Today we'll be taking a look at the 2016 Volkswagen GLI. The GLI is the sportier version of the traditional Jetta. There is a lot going on the interior and the exterior of this car, but we will definitely start with the exterior. Under the hood, we are packing a 2-liter turbocharged engine that has 210 horsepower. Coming over to the front, we got these sweet looking headlights that got bulbs all around them. Parking sensors everywhere, GLI badges on the sides, on the front, as well as these alloy rims, red brake calipers, just keep the sporty look going. We got this sporty suspension going on, as well as a whole new redesigned body kit special for the GLI. Coming around to the back, we got a spoiler, dual exhaust, as well as a backup camera. Let's take a look at the inside, guys. We got blind spot monitors as well as keyless entry. All right, taking a peek at the interior of the vehicle, it is just as sporty as the outside. We got this red detailing everywhere throughout the inside. These plastic pieces, as well as red stitching all throughout the interior. Black leather interior with a ton of leg room. It's a super comfortable car, guys. The seats look really good. Coming over to the steering wheel, same deal, red stitching. We got the GLI logo as well as the flat bottom steering wheel, so it just looks really sporty. As well as paddle shifters, Bluetooth. Coming over to the screen, we got a touch display. It is a push to start vehicle as well. Above us, there is a moonroof. We got this black kind of headliner. Over here, we got a premium Fender sound system. The interior of this car is awesome, guys. All right, guys, to wrap it up, this car is in awesome condition with a super clean Carfax report. No damages or accidents reported. With just under 32,000 miles, this car is still pushing like it's brand new. You get the sporty feel and look, and it's a super good space sedan. Just like I said, we got a 2-liter turbocharged engine under the hood, and we are rocking 210 horsepower. That takes nothing away from its gas mileage. We're doing 24 miles per gallon in the city and 33 on the highway. This is a super solid car, guys. You get the looks, you get the feel, everything is awesome on this car. Come check it out here at LeSueur Car Company.